American dream is a thing of the past, and apparently the Jamaican dream is what many people from developed and developing countries are now seeking by way of getting their Jamaican citizenship.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Migash Reactions. Today's video answers a question a lot of people have been asking lately. Why are so many people choosing to move to Jamaica? You're going to hear real experiences, the good, the challenging, and the beautiful truth behind island life. Big credit to the original creator of this video. Watch until the end. Subscribe as you are watching, and I'll see you right after the video for full commentary.
So what's good about living there? And by there, they mean Jamaica. First off, while I'm cutting the papaya, fresh, real food in the States, literally everything is fake. Fruits, vegetables, everything. And then what they classify as organic is not organic. Like, stop playing. Real people. I'll say that. Because one thing a Jamaican gonna do is keep it 100 with you. Especially the elders. They might tell you a joke, but they'll never tell you a lie. Another reason, especially the elders, they might tell you a joke, but they'll never tell you a lie. Another reason why I even moved out here was mostly because I wanted to reconnect with my family that live out here. My grandma, she's a returning resident. She just retired in the States, but she's originally from Jamaica. So I really wanted to be able to spend time with her. I wanted to be able to connect with my roots, see where I'm from. And I had to get away from the US doing that. Now, if you're earning a US salary, the cost of living can be more affordable than the States. I love being in a new place that I can just explore and see new things and taste new foods and just really learn and understand like about the land. And I feel like if you're not actually in Jamaica, it's a little harder to like really immerse yourself in the culture. So why not move here? I know y'all want some of this papa. Go ahead. I never had papaya so good until I moved to Jamaica. I ate papaya in Bali, Indonesia, and it was good, but Jamaica? They lauded. There's so many herbalists in Jamaica as well, and it's nice to be able to like get access to natural remedies and learning how to detox my body without using so much chemicals, you know? So that's another great perk. Because the Rastas, they be getting it popping with all the natural remedies and concoctions and things. It's nice to not be able to have to pick up like a pill bottle or any like medicine when I have a cold or anything. Like that prescription lifestyle, that thing will kill you. And the best part about it is a laid back lifestyle. No more hustle and bustle. It's like in the States, I couldn't like relax ever. And everything was astronomically expensive for no freaking reason. Here, I mean, things are pricey, but it's like you don't have to feel like, oh my God, I gotta work. Oh my God, I gotta... Like you could just be like, okay, at ease. Like simple life, relaxation. You can have a whole lot of nothing and be happy. Thanks for watching.
So today marks 6 years since I've been living here in Jamaica. For those of you who don't know, I'm originally from Guyana, South America, and I moved here in 2016. And moving to Jamaica is amazing. I mean, have you seen Jamaica? It's quite a paradise. The experience, the journey, the food, the people, and the vibes. Everything is great. I've never had a bad experience here. I enjoy every moment of it all. I've been fortunate to see most of Jamaica, and I'm telling you, it's amazing. I am still blown away by the beauty of this country. I don't regret any of it.
Okay, Alicia, thank you for making the first question an easy one. Top 3 reasons I moved to Jamaica. Number 1, the weather. Being Canadian, the weather here can't be beat. Number 2 is the beautiful, warm people of Jamaica. And number 3 is the culture, the food, the music, the vibe. It can't be beat.
There are many foreigners from across the world who are now getting their Jamaican citizenship. The first reason, of course, is the lifestyle and the cultural appeal. The beaches, the sunshine, the culture, the music, the food, all the obvious things that make Jamaica beautiful. The second one, of course, is business and economic opportunities. Jamaica's economy is developing, it's booming, or tourism sector is doing brilliantly. And there are people with monies to spend who see lots of opportunities in the country and want to get their Jamaican citizenship, so it is easier for them to do business in the country. The third reason is family and ancestry. I have seen so many comments about people who are of Jamaican ancestry who are really taking advantage of their lineage and getting Jamaican citizenship. Many people too who live in North America, US, the UK, who are seeing deteriorating conditions in those countries, especially from a racial perspective, want to lean back into their roots and have a viable option in the event they were to get displaced in their countries of residency. The fourth reason is around mobility and dual citizenship. Jamaican citizens right now can travel to over 80 countries across the globe without a visa. In CARICOM and the broader Caribbean, South America, many countries, Venezuela, Colombia, certain countries in Asia, not to mention Africa. So many countries in Africa where you don't need a visa to travel with a Jamaican passport. Also, the Jamaican government makes it easy to do that. You can actually have dual citizenship. Jamaica operates under the premise that one has to live in the country for at least 5 years, be a lawful abiding citizen, learn the culture, and speak the English language to qualify for Jamaican citizenship. Join the conversation by clicking into the video below and let us know if we are missing any other perspective around why Jamaican citizenship is a trending hot ticket right now.
3 reasons why I decided to move to Jamaica. Hi, my name is Kari and I live in Jamaica. Reason 1, relationships. I've never liked white guys, and in Russia, they are pretty much the only option. I realized that my chances of meeting my man were much higher in Jamaica than in Russia. Reason 2, weather and climate. I spent almost my entire life in Russia with Moscow's climate, which is mostly gray, cold and rain. It was very hard for me to live without the sun, but in Jamaica, that's never an issue. Reason 3, people and culture. Every country has its pros and cons, but I feel much more comfortable living in the society of Jamaica than in Russia. Do you live where you want to be, or are you dreaming of moving somewhere else?
Really want to party like a rock star? Don't go to Miami, don't go to Vegas, go to Jamaica. We have parties at a water park, full adults, doing adult fun things at a water park. We have all-inclusive parties in the water, at the beach, with ice cream and food and drinks and performances and drones. We have parties where people bring boats into the middle of a sand dune, in the middle of the water, surrounded by mountains and hills and views and people having the best time of their lives, okay? Partying in Jamaica isn't just an occasion, it's a lifestyle. Elders party with their children. I party with my mom growing up. Partying is part of our culture. It's a real thing. We have parties where people go on their head tops and people dance and jump on top of each other. We have bougie parties where people will escort you and drive you to the nicest, most decked out premises you've ever seen. And then even outside of parties, we have brunches on top of mountains overlooking everything. Like, it's insane. The amount of planning that goes into these Jamaican parties that the average person does not know about. There's no party in Miami that can compare. And if you want to go to a strip club, Let's just say the strippers in Jamaica. I've I've been in Miami since I was 3 years old. I've been to multiple strip clubs. Me never see one stripper who have anything upon a Jamaican stripper. The things they can do with their body. If you know, you know.
Mommy, why did we move to Jamaica? Why not?
Good morning. I hate when you guys say Jamaica is just as expensive as Miami. Babes, $13 for juice, for kale, spinach, and pineapple? Show me the person in the United Parish of Kingston that will spend $13 for juice. When I am in Miami, as soon as I wake up and breathe, it costs me $1,000. They're charging us to breathe in Miami. And guys, I'm not talking about when you're on vacation, you buying KFC every day and you at Elsha every day. I'm talking about living there, real living expenses. I will say this though. The people who are working in Jamaica need to be paid more because the living expenses are way higher than what you are paying. So for me, who makes American dollars, Jamaica cheap and sweet. So no, it's not as expensive as Miami, but it's not affordable for the people that's living there. Do better.
Reasons why I left the UK to move to Jamaica. One reason was the weather. Like, I'm sick and tired of British weather. Like the grey, the no sun, everything just ugh. Jamaica, paradise when it comes to the weather. Food, guys, like the food in the UK, I know you can get healthy food, I know. But when it comes to like the organic healthy food, I feel like the prices of it is just ridiculous. Like, you be paying £8 for one apple. And then they wonder why everyone just goes for the drunk option because it's extortionate. While in Jamaica, I can eat healthy every single day. Like, I don't really be eating snacks out of here because I don't really like their snacks. So I don't be eating their snacks too tough. And I'd rather just be eating fruit. Like, the amount of fruit and veg I eat, yeah. Being able to go to the river and the beach anytime I want is really a big thing to me as well. I just feel like I'm more free in Jamaica, but in the UK I feel like I'm trapped. And also, I have a boy child, and I know there's crime everywhere, guys, but the gangs in the UK, they're out of hand right now. Like, the amount of crimes that are going on regarding the little teenage boys, that just put me off. Like, especially if I have a boy. I'm not saying there's no crime in Jamaica, because obviously there's crime everywhere, but that was also a factor for me. And I just honestly love Jamaica. Elijah just doing too much, guys. But I just honestly love Jamaica. I just love the simple life. I just love everything about it. If you guys want a part 2, let me know. Bye.
When you get a crazy opportunity, you grab it with both hands. So when my husband got this opportunity to come to Jamaica for his job, we decided to take this adventure because most of our friends, they gone to US or UK for their masters or for job offers, but both me and my husband, we love adventures, and we wanted to take this unconventional path because nobody moves from India to Jamaica, but we wanted to do something different and we wanted to take this adventure, and I'm so glad we did because the things that we are witnessing, the life we are living, we wouldn't have lived if we hadn't decided to take this chance. And it's different and it's exciting, and we will definitely cherish this forever.
Thank you so much for watching till the end. This video was honest, not romanticized, and that's important when talking about relocation. One thing the video makes very clear is Jamaica is not America. The culture is different. The pace is different. The systems are different. Some people move expecting convenience. Jamaica offers connection, not speed. Many people are surprised to learn that the cost of living in Jamaica can be similar to the US or UK. Why? Imported goods, customs fees, shipping costs, shipping furniture alone can cost thousands. Jamaica produces a lot, but imports are expensive, and that affects price. The video touches on something local already, No, you will wait. Long lines, manual processes. Things can take minutes elsewhere, can take hours here. This isn't inefficiency. It's a system still catching up technologically. You learn patience or Jamaica will teach you. People in the video still say they love Jamaica. Why? Because Jamaica offers something rare: freedom, community, nature, slower living. You can go from work to the beach. You can eat fresh food daily. Jamaica offers fresh fruits, ground provisions, natural herbs, organic produce, Rastafari culture, influenced Itol and plant-based diets long before it became trendy. For many foreigners, this lifestyle feels like healing. People from the UK especially mention cold weather, long winters, mental fatigue. Jamaica offers sunshine year-round, and that changes mental health drastically. Some people aren't just relocating, they are returning, reconnecting with family, heritage, identity. Jamaica isn't just a destination. For many, it's a home waiting. Let's be honest, and the video is honest. Jamaica is more affordable if you earn US, UK, or Canadian income. You work remotely, you run an online business. Local wages often do not match the cost of living. An important reality to acknowledge. The video highlights Jamaica as a place where starting a business can be easier, opportunity exists for entrepreneurs, but again, success depends on patience, planning, understanding local system. Jamaica rewards persistence, not shortcuts. One parent shared something powerful. Jamaica has a village mentality. Elders correct children, community watches over youth. National pride is strong. Early education is often praised for discipline and foundation. It's not perfect, but it's community-driven. Jamaica is also a global party destination. Reggae, dancehall, beach events, water parks, sound systems on sand. Jamaica celebrates life loudly and unapologetically. Black Jamaicans, West Jamaicans, Chinese Jamaicans, Indian Jamaicans, Jamaica's motto still stands: out of many, one people. And yes, some people moved for love, married Jamaicans, built families, made Jamaica home. Love has always crossed borders. Jamaica isn't perfect, no country is, but for those who value community, nature, culture, slower living, Jamaica offers something priceless. The key is coming informed, not idealistic. If this reaction added value, like, comment and subscribe to Migash Reactions. Let me know in the comments. Would you move to Jamaica? And why? Or why not? Respect always. Love you, fam.